someone being cheap, they'll say, hey, isn't that cheap guy? This is called Cheap Living. It's for your shower curtain. Okay, this is what you need. You need a roll of tape. This is a magnet on one side, and it's got the stickum on the other. So you need one roll of that. It's be 15 feet long, and all you got to do is double it. You know, take a pair of scissors. It's really thin stuff, really easy to work with. This is for the women. You could do it while your husband or your boyfriend's at work, and tell them it took about 4 hours, and then they'll look at it and say, I could have done that. And then you tell them, well, why didn't you do it? It's been over 4 years, you haven't done it yet. That way you'll take you out to eat. But you need 4 of these. It's like a 3/4 inch screw with the nut and some washers. You can either use metal or plastic. I'm just showing, I use metal on mine, but you can use plastic. But this is what it's going to look like on the shower curtain. When the shower curtain's there, you can see that. And this is what it's going to look like on the wall. I used big old metal washers, which I shouldn't have done, but you can use plastic. But this is going to go on the wall. So you take your double stick tape. It's going to be 15 feet long. You get it at Walmart. Go to the material department, and when you open it up, it's going to be cut it in half, so it'll be 7.5 feet. Just measure it, just fold it in half and then cut it. And then the 2 pieces that you have, fold it in half and cut it, so it's going to be a little over 3.5 feet. And so what you need is a pair of scissors and a Phillips. That's all you're going to need. Need the screw. They'll put the hole in this tape, because the tape is really, really, really easy to work with. Simple, simple, simple stuff. Okay, come over here to the shower curtain, and you put one strip along the wall. See, I got these large washers, which you really don't need that. Probably the size of a dime would be more than sufficient. One there, one at the bottom, and then you put the tape on the shower curtain, just like this, and you put the small washers with the rubber washers. See, I overdid it. This is overkill, way overkill. You don't need that. And you got 3.5 feet long right here for your closer. So you come over here and you have one on your wall, and this will keep your shower curtain from leaking. There you see how it's sealed. It's not going to move. Even on this side, it's sealed really good. So this is Cheap Living. This is the cheap guy, and it's going to cost you less than $10 for sure. Go to Walmart, and you'll find this in the fabric department. Don't look in the arts and crafts. Don't look in the hardware. Don't look anywhere. It's in the fabric department with the material and stuff like that. And if you really want to, just order it online. Order your screws. Order everything online, and have it shipped to the store. That way you just go pick it up. But the women can do this. You can do it in less than an hour. Even if you take a 20-minute coffee break, you'll have it done. But this is an excellent idea to keep your shower from leaking. Making a mess every time. Even with kids, this is great, because it'll stick right to your wall. And it's really simple stuff. And it's living cheap. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Make sure you share this. And if you're a woman that does this while your husband or your boyfriend's at work, make sure he takes you out to eat afterwards. Make sure of that, because he could have did it, but he never did. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.